couple of days ago, you filed a case, cyber libel case against Tony Levito Baligod and former Congressman Zaldi Co. This is with regard to yung allegations that you're involved in agriculture smuggling and yung alleged delivery ng kickbacks through the Maleta system. Any updates there, sir?
Dagdag lang doon, Secretary, paano dati ay naglabas din kayo ng expose tungkol labang kay Saldico, di ba?
Yeah.
Na meron siyang mga smuggled.
Yung fish.
Oo, nakuha. Kaya siguro pwede nyo ibigay yung backgrounder na yon. Baka kasi hindi maunawaan ng mga tao eh.
Hindi, yun na nga eh. Hindi ko alam bakit nila ako sinasama dun sa kay Baligod, yung sa 18 Marines na yun. Wala naman sila sinabi na yung dinadalhan ako ng maleta o nagbibigay ako ng maleta. Wala namang maleta. Sinasabi lang nila, kumukuha sila ng pera every week sa bahay ko, sa Forbes daw. Pero hindi naman ako nakatira sa Forbes since 2018 eh. So parang I don't know them or I've never given money. Tsaka ba't ako magbibigay ng pera, di ba? Ang importante, mag-ipon ng pera, hindi mamigay ng pera. Doon naman kay Saldi ko, kasi naglabas siya ng video na sinasabi involved sa agricultural smuggling, pati daw, kung sino-sino daw yung mga involved. Lahat hindi totoo eh. Di ba? Parang it's all fake news. No? Tungkol naman dun sa na encounters ko kay Saldi during that time na sinabi ko rin sa press con na siya ngayon humihingi sa akin ng allocation no, na 3,000 containers ng galunggong at 200,000 tons ng asukal na refined sugar na dininay ko.
Pati asukal?
Yes, ma'am. And hindi ko siya pinagbigyan. Di ba? Parang yung sinasabi nila tsaka yung parang it's counter to what I'm doing eh. Kaya tsaka hindi talaga ako papayag eh.
Yes, sir. But sir, the crux of, I suppose the crux of your argument is that you have not lived in Forbes Park as far back as 2018. But before that, before the 2018 cutoff, you lived in Forbes Park.
Yes, partly for a few years siguro. Oo.
There is no possibility, or is there a possibility that they're referring to one of your to an old house of yours? Is that possible?
No, there is a specific address eh. Of course, ayoko sabihin online na nandun naman sa affidavit. There's a specific address, may number tsaka street eh. Hindi na ako nakatira doon since 2018 eh. Diba? Kaya bakit, diba? Parang anong connection?
But the address is correct. At least when you were there, when you were living there. That was your address.
Yes.
But is it owned still by a member of your family?
It's owned by my father. The company of my father.
Okay. Yes, without giving any credence yet to their allegations, they could also argue that that you still have links to the house. At least from that point of
view. They can argue that, but the point is, it never happened. Everything that they said never happened.